how to change name on Bigo Live. So if you want to change name on Bigo Live, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have your Bigo Live application. After that, open the application and make sure that you've logged into your account. I'll just simply go with sign in with Google. Now, after opening your Bigo Live, you need to go with me, which will be on the bottom right. From here, tap on your name. In my case, I have the ID name. Now at the top right corner, you will have the edit option or the pencil shaped icon. Tap on it. Scroll down, go with name. Tap on your name. And here you need to just tap on the name again. And you will get your keyboard right here. Just remove the ID that you have and then add a name. After that, go with save, which will be in the top right. And that's it. If you go back, it will be saved and your name has been changed. That's how you can change your name on Bigo Live. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.